Thanks for watching Futurescope Weekly. Quick hits on the biggest stories in science and tech. Let's dive in. Data centers in bunkers. Your data may soon live underground. Companies are retrofitting old nuclear bunkers and mines into ultra-secure data centers, shielding our digital lives from disaster. Ocean acidification. Bad news for the oceans. Scientists say Earth has now crossed the seventh of nine critical planetary boundaries, with acidification threatening ecosystems and food security worldwide. Quantum versus AGI. Venture capitalist Alexa von Tobel believes quantum computing, not AGI, will be the real game changer. She's betting big on quantum hardware, and others may soon follow. AI-designed psychedelics. A startup has used AI to design a psychedelic drug that delivers therapeutic effects without the hallucinogenic trip. This could transform both mental health treatments and recreational use. DJI court ruling. In the drone world, a U.S. court upheld DJI's designation as a Chinese military company. That label limits its business here and reinforces security concerns tied to Chinese tech. XR tech, going mainstream. Extended reality is edging closer to everyday use. Experts say we may all be wearing smart glasses soon. The only question is, which company will get us there first? Leopard shark discovery. Marine biologists captured the first ever footage of leopard sharks mating in the wild. It's a rare glimpse into shark reproduction and a win for marine research. Jaguar Land Rover cyber attack. A massive cyber attack has forced Jaguar Land Rover to halt production. It's the latest reminder of just how vulnerable the auto industry is to digital threats. GoPro Max 2. Launch. GoPro has dropped the Max 2, a new 360-degree camera with 8K resolution and swappable lenses. Adventure creators, this one's built for you. Smart glasses. Showdown. A face-off between the Meta Ray-Ban display and Rokid glasses. Both push AR into everyday life, but only one might earn a permanent spot in your daily outfit. That's this week from Futurescope Weekly. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and check the description for links to everything we covered. See you next time.